All right, so today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy our plant-based spaghetti using pecan meat and walnut meat. So we let our pecan meat and walnut meat soak overnight to make sure it's soft. And now we got our mushrooms and we have some onions that we're going to cut up. And we're going to cut these up and mix it in with the pecan and walnut meat. So let's go through now and cut these up real fine. And you can use any type of mushroom that you want, as long as you cut it up pretty good. Make sure it's finely chopped. And we're gonna throw this in a food processor so it'll chop it up even more. All right, so we got that cut up. I also cut up my onions in my chopping jar, so it just made it a little bit easier. So now let's put it in our processor. And we also have our noodles already cooking over there. And also we have the sauce going. All right, so you want to use coconut aminos, or you can use low sodium soy sauce. Coconut aminos to me is the better option. I also want to use paprika. You can use smoked or just regular paprika. Now you want to go to your garlic powder. And I have the measurements in the description of this video. So now let's put in our onions and our mushrooms. And like I said, we have our pasta already cooking, and then we also have our marinara sauce simmering right now. You can make your own marinara sauce, or you can buy a store-bought one, however you like to do it. Let's make sure we get everything in. And you want to pulse it. You don't want to pulse it until it becomes a paste-like. You want it to resemble ground beef, like crumbles. So you want to pulse it a little bit, check it. And if it's not too, not like a paste, you want to make sure you just go ahead and pulse it one more time to get it to that texture that we like. So that's how it should look. All right, so now let's go ahead and cook our walnut meat, our pecan and walnut meat. I always use grapeseed oil. It's the best oil to use for heating. All right, we're gonna wait till this warms up. Now it's time to add our walnut and pecan meat. Now you also can put minced garlic in the oil while it's you can cook that for a little bit before you put the pecan and walnut meat in, but it's up to you. All right, so let's cook that till it gets nice and crispy. I like mine crispy. I like not burnt, but I like it to have almost like a toasted taste to it. It really goes, it infuses good with the marinara sauce and the noodles. So the time depends on what you like, how you want your texture to be. If you want it a little bit crispier, then of course you cook it longer to give it that more toasted taste. If you don't, then you can cook it for maybe like 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. All right, now we got it to how we want it. see how it has the ground beef look? It has the crumbles to it. It's not like a paste. It's just right. All right, so now we're gonna put it in our pot with our marinara sauce. I'm gonna let that simmer for a little bit so all the flavors can infuse. Now we're gonna throw in our spaghetti noodles. And there you have it, ready to plate. Easy and simple walnut meat, pecan/walnut meat spaghetti. Easy recipe. The kids love it. It's a favorite amongst a lot of people, vegan or not. So give it a try. Let me know how it is. And if you need any more recipes, just like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.